Hey everyone! I want to show you guys some tips what I never knew before by myself. First, I prepare my nails. I use nail dehydrator. I apply the base coat. I use my favorite builder gel. I have never tried a better nail gel. I have never done this with the dual forms. So just let's see how it works out. I'm gonna apply this on nail. A little bit squeeze. I'm gonna pop it off. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. I clean my nail with nail cleaner. Now you don't need to do a lot of finish filing on the top of your nails. They perfectly structured. I'm going to create a marble effect on my nails. Swirl the colors together. I'm going to use my art brush to scoop the gel colors up. Then I just apply gel color on the nail corner. I'm using gold nails foil just to make it a little bit more fancy. I apply top coat. Here we are with our final look. Super easy, super simple, and super pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my videos.